Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of mascaras that leave you with smudges or flakes by the end of the day? If you're looking for something that delivers on both volume and wearability without any irritation, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the ILIA Fullest Volumizing Mascara, a clean, buildable formula designed to give you fuller, healthier lashes while being gentle enough for even the most sensitive eyes. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a Beautyistic review. Now, let's get into it. The ILIA Fullest Volumizing Mascara is all about providing weightless, smudge-free volume. The formula is designed to thicken and define lashes from root to tip with a buildable effect. But what makes this mascara stand out is its clean, nourishing ingredients that promise to condition your lashes with every coat. It's not just about looks, it's about healthier lashes too. If you've ever struggled with mascara that clumps or irritates your eyes, you'll appreciate that this one is ophthalmologist-tested and safe for sensitive eyes. It's also safe for contact lens wearers, which is a huge plus if you wear contacts regularly. And let's talk about its longevity. This mascara stays put without smudging or flaking, which means you won't need to worry about those dreaded raccoon eyes by the afternoon. Personally, I've been using this mascara for a few weeks and it's been a game changer. The application is smooth and easy, and I love that it doesn't feel heavy on my lashes. You can build it up for more volume or go for a more natural look with a lighter coat. I also found that it comes off easily at the end of the day, which is a huge win. No scrubbing, no tugging at your delicate lashes. In terms of pros, I love how lightweight this mascara feels. It doesn't weigh down my lashes, even after multiple coats. The formula also really does thicken and define without clumping, which I can't say for many mascaras out there. The fact that it's non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free is a huge bonus, as it fits into my clean beauty routine seamlessly. On the flip side, if you're someone who loves a dramatic, ultra-voluminous lash, you might find that this mascara doesn't deliver as much of that extreme effect as some others on the market. It's more about a natural, buildable volume, which is great for everyday wear, but may not satisfy those who want intense lash drama. When it comes to value for money, this mascara is definitely worth considering, especially given its clean formulation and performance. At full size, it's priced fairly for a premium product, and the added bonus of nourishing ingredients means your lashes are getting treated as you wear it. For those who are interested in alternatives, there are other clean mascaras out there, but what sets the ILIA Fullest Volumizing Mascara apart is its gentle, eye-safe formula. If you're someone with sensitive eyes or contact lenses, it's definitely worth the investment. As for build quality, the packaging feels sturdy and high-end. The wand is easy to work with and helps separate lashes nicely, giving a voluminous yet natural look. It's not too bulky, which makes it travel-friendly too. So, who is this mascara best suited for? If you have sensitive eyes, wear contact lenses, or just want a clean, buildable mascara that enhances your lashes without the irritation or mess, this one is a great option. It delivers on its promise of fuller, healthier lashes while staying gentle on the eyes. If you're looking for a mascara that's easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and easy to remove at the end of the day, the ILIA Fullest Volumizing Mascara might just be the one for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.